think the overall vision we have for data collection is for us to really understand what's the pulse of our business, how do we see if we're winning or losing, ahead or behind, and then how do we use that data is really to see if where we're seeing value, where there are opportunities, gaps in our process, so that we can make improvements and we can invest resources properly based upon what the data is telling us. The immediate benefit for me is I can quickly tell the pulse of the business within seconds. Visuals, it really helps the whole organization understand where do we need to focus our time and efforts to meet the needs of our customer. There's many benefits that Flex has helped us in regards to our reliability of our equipment, understanding where our biggest bottlenecks are so we can put our resources to it. We've increased our uptime because of Flex. Now we can make more accurate, quicker decisions, which has improved our uptime, which then, with improving our uptime, has reduced our costs, which allows us also to meet the needs of our customers, improve our on-time delivery. It allows the team members to really, truly understand how their day is going. Are they winning? Are they losing? Am I having a good day? Am I having a bad day? If I'm having a bad day, have I got the resources that can help me have a good day? Flex has really helped the leadership team provide support and resources to the operators, and it helps with our engagement and our empowerment of our employees. For our relationship with Flex is collaborative. It's a partnership. They listen to us, they take our recommendations, we listen to them, they have some solutions, we pilot different applications. So that helps us really improve our business. So if I think about the group with Flex, they are all about if we win, they win. And we work together closely as a team, and it's really a partnership. I would even say more of a friendship as well. They've really helped our organization get to the next level. 100% available to us when we need them. Matter of fact, I have a direct line to the CEO, and I call him anytime I need to, whether it's 5 o'clock in the morning or Sunday afternoon at 4 o'clock, and he'll pick up the phone, we'll have a dialogue. They understand our business, our pains, our concerns, our bottlenecks, but their experience that they bring really has benefited our organization. And not just myself, but our frontline leaders and our frontline managers. They've had the opportunity to spend time with them, to help them understand how the data works, and the experience that they bring and the knowledge goes a long way. Absolutely would recommend Flex to anyone who sees the value in data and how it can change your organization. Whether it's manufacturing, front office, or HR, I think there's a value in Flex metrics in any part of the organization.